Hi guys, we're back in Nusa Dua, Tansa, Cavite. This is located in Barangay Paradahan, and in this video, I'm with my agent who is the direct agent po nitong property na ito connected to the owner. So, he's showing us the property dito sa main road ng Nusa Dua along Nusa Dua Avenue, which is a great location po. This is a corner lot, and I thank the owner also for allowing us to video this property through the agent. So, tinitingnan ng aming prospect buyer itong property. So, meron ng bahay kubo dito guys. And then, ang owner naglagay siya ng mga kambing dito sa area na to. So, pwede ang kambing, pwede baka, pwede free range chicken, dito sa Nusa Dua Farm Estate. So, na-appreciate po ng ating client yung mga tanim ng owners dito. So, marami siyang fruit-bearing trees. Meron also siya dito na mga mangga. And may iba pa pong fruit-bearing trees. Ayan, ang daming kambing. So, kung gusto po ninyong mag-farming na malapit sa Metro Manila, consider Nusa Dua Farm Estates. Kontakin nyo na lamang po ako. I have many inventories po dito.